We'll put out the facts. We'll get in our panel of guests very quickly. We have Shaina NC, who represents the BJP on the show. We also have Anupriya, who's representing the Janata Dal United. We also have Priyanka Bharti, who's representing the RJD on the show. And remember, we have an all-women panel. And we also have a very special guest, if we can also bring her up on the screen. I want to introduce Shambhavi Chaudhary, the MP from the LJPR, who's also joining us. Shambhavi, good to see you smiling, good to have you on the show, and good you agreed to have this conversation, because till the last moment I was wondering, will she, won't she? So it's good that you're here, Shambhavi. Let's begin by asking you, how do you justify what Nitish Kumar really has said? And there is a string of, these comments that he has made. What is your first response to what you hear from Nitish Kumar?
First of all, I would like to thank you for having me and giving me this opportunity to clear all the air that has been going around the statement. I would like to repeat the statement. I think there is a wave of misinterpretation that is happening. The first statement that he made is "Mahila ho kuch janti nahi ho?" ? So there is a fine line between "Mahila ho kuch janti ho kya" or "Mahila ho kuch janti nahi ho." I think he was asking a question over there. And he meant to say that being a woman, don't you know that who has brought you to the brought you to the Legislative Assembly? I think what he tried to say was that this empowerment that the women of the state have been given, that's right, that the women of the state have been given to come to the Legislative Assembly, to make it to the Parliament, make a firm choice and speak with courage, has been given by the NDA government and under the leadership of our Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. So I think there is a lot of misinterpretation, and there is a lot of people are trying to interpret it differently and create havoc unnecessarily.
Shambhavi, you and I can agree to disagree, because I still, do not want to be charitable to a Nitish Kumar. I don't have any political compulsions whatsoever. You've said what you wanted to say. Now, not very long ago, when he had not taken the palti and the switchover, he had made a popular comment. I say popular because that again went viral, about population control. And on our screens, we were just reading, verbatim through what he had actually said. When he was telling ki Mahila aur Purush kya karte hain, kaise kya karna chahiye. He was, trying to explain this. He got very graphical in terms of detail, that too in the assembly. Kya wo bhi logon ne galat samjha tha, Shambhavi?
See, I think like you said, we all can agree to disagree. The moment when all of that was happening, what he was trying to do was he was practically talking about sex education in a layman's language. And we all can differ to agree on the fact that the language might not have been appropriate for the Legislative Assembly, but it was a layman's language. And if you see, a lot of people in Bihar still communicate that.